Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can edit Facebook page button. So all you have to do is make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first thing, before getting started, make sure to update your Facebook application to the latest version and also make sure to check your internet connection. So open up your Facebook. Once you're logged into your account, tap on the try bar icon located in the top right, and once you're on the menu page, tap on pages. After the page is loaded, on the other side you have your profile page. You can see in the bottom right corner there's a 3-dot icon, so then tap on it. After you tap on the 3-dot icon, on the other interface will be directed to page settings, and under it there are a list of options. And then on the second option there is add action button, so then tap on it. And once you tap on it, on the other interface tap on edit buttons. So after you tap on edit button, on the other interface you have all your information. Now in case if you want to add the buttons, then all you have to do is mark on the box which is right in the corner, and after that you'll either have to enter the contact information or the link. And in case if you want to remove the button, do the same process, that is unmark the box which is right in the corner, and after that tap on save which is right at the bottom. And you can do this process with the rest of the other feature, and that is how you can edit Facebook page button on your device. And that is all for this video, and in case if you're new to our channel, then make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.